Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device. Uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, me just a jump straight in at this one here, my wisdom warriors. Because the one here is a piece of attack claps, So me I start it off with the attack claps in the day. Taking this.
Tonight, I call for my good friend Darrell Voss to tell me who owned the building.
My wisdom warriors, you hear Dayton Campbell, hey, story come to bump. You know so when Dayton Campbell come out, and attack things them, my wisdom warrior. You know say it go so. Me not talk about near fi go so, Me attack it go so. And that me I tell you, So, Darrell Voss, the question the Jamaican people want to ask you is, who own the buildings? The buildings that the government is paying 400 million to. Who own those unoccupied buildings? And that you need to go post on your X. And that you need to go post on your IG. And them there's something you need to post on Lego Marky G shot alone. Lego Marky British shot. You hear me? And that you need to go post. Every day this man, this torment man get up. Depan Marky G. Listen, and a Marky G fault make you have to renounce your sitting. And a Marky G fault make you have to renounce your citizenship. And you only renounce your citizenship because America is not a part of the Commonwealth. And you was forced to do so because you were working illegally in the parliament, Darrell Voss. So you need to come out and come tell the Jamaican people who own the unoccupied building that is paying, that the government a use taxpayer and a pay 400 million to. We want to know, Darrell Voss, we are waiting on you. On the behalf of the Jamaican people, I am speaking on the behalf of the Jamaican people. They want to know who own the building. This me telling you, my wisdom warriors. Me telling us that the procurement act need to be reviewed. It need to change. It's true they know so the procurement act hold down the people them, hold back the names of the people them. We are collect the taxpayer money. It's true because they know that the politician, them a do that, my wisdom warriors. Them a take taxpayer money and use it and do as them like and do as them please because they know so the procurement act back them 100%. And this is not right because we can't have our taxpayer money going to people pocket and we do not know who we are giving taxpayer money to. That not make no sense. We only know which building, but we don't know who the building belongs to. So we have all right to know who the building belongs to. We know, say, one of the big building belong to Norman Dunn. We don't check that out already. We don't know that already. One of the building them belongs to Norman Dunn, a MP from the Jamaica Labour Party. All right. Now, we want to know now. This 400 million and the whole heap of zillion and million and billion and trillion of taxpayer money that is going to the people that will own the unoccupied building. Who are they? My wisdom warriors, know so when Dayton Campbell come out, and not normal, so when him ready for Lego film out, and talk things them, always truth him attacking my wisdom warriors. I just read between the lines, Yes, man, I just read between the lines. Just like when he come out and he asks the question, he asks Pernell Charles, if he can tell the Jamaican people when he renounced his citizenship because he was working a year before. He was working a year before in Parliament before he renounced his citizenship. And Pernell Charles came out and said, no, that's not true, a lie. But when me dig deeper, my wisdom warriors, I'm showing in my video yesterday. When me dig deeper, he was working as in the Senate. He was working as a senator from February 2016. These Jamaican Labour Party people just come and lie. Seriously. Seriously, my wisdom warriors. And it need to stop. It need to stop. So Daryl Vaz, the time where you take and I post Marky G, this and Marky G that, you are just a jealous man because you're not a part of the Commonwealth. So I burn you. Or you have to renounce. Why you fool, you know? You fool. Because America is not part of the Commonwealth. This man, Daryl Vaz, give up. Give up. Give up, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, in citizenship. And then turn around, I beg visa. Hey, that no, boy, me no wrong you. You did half a jealous of Marky G. Bad mind a kill them. Me say bad mind a go kill them. My wisdom warriors. Bad mind a kill them. My wisdom warriors, I want to take in this video clip with Everall Warmington. When the reporter called Everall Warmington, can remember, you know, Everall Warmington was the person that dealing with the money. Remember, say man, the man, you know, we deal with the money. Remember, say him claim saying did resign, you know, and now we withdraw back in resignation. So we don't know what him a do. I could have said him still handle the money. Anyway, the reporter reached out to him and I talk about Tri-Bridge. Una hear what Everall Warmington say. Una not go believe una ears. Listen to this.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Warmington.
Yes.
Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Observer.
Hello?
Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Jamaica Observer and Mandeville. You were driving this morning.
I'm sorry to them driving again. Tell me something. Is that the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replaced for the repair?
No, it is not. But I just want to get an
Is that the only
update.
bridge in Jamaica that needs repair or replacement? You called me about Fatima Bridge?
I'm just seeking an update on the matter, Mr. Warmington.
I don't need to give you no update at all. I'm asking if that is the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replacement or repair. That's not the only one.
My wisdom warriors, una hear Everall Warmington. Una hear Everall Warmington where Andrew Owness give the money for keep, for hold, for Jamaica can fix. Una hear what Everall Warmington say? The reporter, this is a reporter from Observer, you know. Call Everall Warmington, you know, for talk about the Tri-Bridge, you know. This for sure, me just a showing us something, you know, about the Jamaica Labour Party. And on a year where Everall Warmington say, if this are the only bridge in a Jamaica need fixing, and he knows that this bridge need urgent repair. This bridge is an emergency. This a bridge where the people them use. Pitney them have to go to school. The people them have to go to supermarket. Elderly people, everybody have to go to hospital. And you hear with this year Andrew Wellness administration, MP, Member of Parliament, Everall Warmington will hold the money. You hear what I'm saying? Just because that bridge is in the PNP area. It's what I try to show in Jamaica. It's what I try to show you. So when you see Everall Warmington, when I withdraw resignation, Everall Warmington, nothing be no member of Parliament. He nothing be no member of Parliament, my wisdom warriors. He is unfit. He doesn't care. And he doesn't value the Jamaican people. That man should stay 100 million miles from Parliament. He's unfit to be in Parliament, my wisdom warriors. For everybody that just joined, wanna listen to Everall Warmington.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Warmington.
Yes.
Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Observer.
Hello?
Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Jamaica Observer and Mandeville. You were driving this morning.
I'm sorry to them driving again. Tell me something. Is that the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replaced for the repair?
No, it is not. But I just want to get an
Is that the only
update.
bridge in Jamaica that needs repair or replacement? You called me about Fatima Bridge?
I'm just seeking an update on the matter, Mr. Warmington.
I don't need to give you no update at all. I'm asking if that is the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replacement or repair. That's not the only one.
Una hear what Everall Warmington say? He no need to give no update at all. So these people, Jamaica Labour Party, don't care about that bridge. Don't care about the people of Jamaica. They don't care about the people of Jamaica. And yesterday, I showed a little video clip and I explain something to you how some people from Andrew Holness constituency reach out to me. And I said, Mama, if Andrew Holness not fix up in constituency, you think say a bridge him a go fix? Eh? You really think say a bridge him a go fix? When film constituency nasty and dirty, and then he have Juliet Holness a walk around a can't talk about anywhere where garbage there and the PNP live. Eh? But the clip and that the picture that we may have in a Andrew Holness constituency, me I tell you about them in my wisdom warriors, one thing with them, then dry eye. They not no shame. No shame they not have whatsoever. And for telling us say, these type of people that is leading the country and representing Jamaica, they don't care about the people of Jamaica. I'm tired to come out and I tell you, and I want Jamaican people, wake up. Wake up. So when you hear Everald Warmington come out the time and I say, oh, the money are for him, and he only going to fix up labor right part at something where them do for a long time. They make the PNP suffer. They make the PNP suffer. And that them do. Make the PNP era them suffer. That is what they do. And it need to stop. All of this rubbish I go stop now. Because this tri-bridge is very dangerous. Remember say that the bridge there. Remember say that the road there, Remember say collapse, my wisdom warriors. Remember say collapse, Remember say that lead Pitney to go to school, Elderly, figure a road, Everybody, them a figure high road. Remember say lead them to supermarket. How them a go shop? How them a go buy food stuff? How them a go to the doctor? They have to cross that bridge. And for here, Everald Warmington come out and talk like this. It is nasty. Man like him, not for inner parliament. Man like him, not for inner parliament, my wisdom warriors. And it really pain me heart to see how the people them I fear go through. All of these things them I fear go through. And Jamaica Labour Party do not care. And when me tell them they don't care, and I just start me attack, they really don't care. And then the first one of them do things like this. You have a next one, Tofisha. Juliet Cockburn, me call her Tofisha. Yeah? She had one next one when they reach out to her about the water. She was being really rude and nasty. You said she talk about Nikisha Burchell saying nasty things. When she, that girl, so because she run all her life and never win a race to Jamaica yet, and so she don't want to flap, she gonna turn MP. Dirty girl if it go eh. Cause now wicked. If you go boy, then you go like you love Jamaica. Hey, I know everybody will run for Jamaica, love Jamaica. Let me tell you from now. I know everybody that runs for Jamaica, love Jamaica, because none of them run for Jamaica and do nothing to help the people them in a Jamaica. None of them my wisdom warriors. So when Marky G win and be the next prime minister, I am encouraging Marky G. Any one of them where you see go, if they want to go muggle, if they want to go rot, no make none of them be no ambassador, and no make none of them. But them are going to be MP. Not because they ain't go muggle, not because they ain't go run, not because they ain't go play football, means that they mean well for Jamaica. None of them is just all for them ratted whole self. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. My wisdom warriors, I don't want to get me wrong, You have a lot of people that run, that really care for the country. Because sometimes if I not say certain things, you feel say at the opposite me I say. You understand? You have a lot of people that is doing well and helping their communities. But you have enough of them when I do nothing for them community. My wisdom warriors, tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, I want to take in Ian Hales because I see Ian Hales come out, and the things that he was saying, it really touched my heart. I can see, just looking at him and, hear it in his voice. He is very passionate about his country. May I tell you, he's very, listen to me, It's a real, recognize real, my wisdom warrior. It's a real people, recognize real people. And that one thing with me recognize, says a real and truthful person. When that man talk, he mean well for Jamaica. He mean well for the Westmoreland people, them. He want good for them. Me say that, me hear it in his voice. He is so passionate. But a lot of people is being, is being so silly and act like Them no know so what the man I say is real. Me see a lot of people come out and say a lie. A lie the Westmoreland people them a tell. They have water and see. If I did lie, why would Andrew Oneless came out and say I'm go help the Westmoreland people? Just put it like that because we know say always come out and say I'm go help and he not do nothing. It's not a lie. He's telling the truth. My wisdom warriors, take in Ian Hills.
So for months now, the people of Westmoreland have been suffering from March, from a drought and lack of water, promises made, and none of the promises have been kept. But you know, I driving a while ago coming from the grill, and I'm in the rain. And I just remember a song that said, "They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like an eagle." You know, there's a saying that the Lord never gives us more than we can bear. And just seeing the rain fall, it has strengthened my faith in knowing how good God is and how great God is. Because the NWC can't give us water, but the Lord is giving us water. So whether you have your bucket, your pan, your pot, a tank, and even if you never get any other tank, make sure you fill up whatever you have in your home, because the Lord is giving us a couple days of rain. We don't have no flood, but He's giving us all the water that we need to fill up so we can deal with all our needs. What a mighty God we serve. God bless you. Fill up on a tank and fill up on a bucket. God bless you.
My wisdom warriors, when me buck up on this, me say I have to come and share this. I had to share this with you guys, seriously. Because, you know what? Everything that the man say is true. Because they have drought and there was no water. And Andrew Oneless never think for once for help the Westmoreland people. And the Westmoreland people then go through it. And then go through it. And then go through it. Them go through it, my wisdom warriors. Without water. And the government, you have the Prime Minister beard every day. And the whole of the MP, them beard every day. But they refuse to help the people of Westmoreland. But God never refuse. God never refuse. And I hear what him say. You even hear what him say. God now give us more than what we can bear. And this is a perfect example. The people, they have been waiting for a very long time. And God come through. God come through. So this is, you see this? You see? Real thing, you know. Real thing. Real thing, my wisdom warriors, you know. And everybody that come on this platform, you know, is doing it from them heart. Me tell you, know. And everybody you see come on platform doing it from them heart, my wisdom warriors. Some people, they're not passionate about what they're doing. Some people now do it because they love Jamaica. Some people are do it because they want to get back at somebody in the member of parliament. When you hear me? I have some people just do it only for money. But listen to me. As I said to you before, real recognize real, my wisdom warriors. This man, him come out. He was brave enough to speak out and stand up for the Westmoreland people. Not only him, even Amber. Stand up for the Westmoreland people because they must say, wait. This is not about PNP and JLP. No. This is about our life. And water is life, my wisdom warrior. Without water, you can't survive. You can't survive. You understand? Only the mercy of God will make you pull through. Only the mercy of God pull you through, my wisdom warriors. So, I commend Ian Hills for all the effort, for all the coming out, being brave and get the courage and have the courage, you know, to come out and stand up for the Jamaican people. I am so proud of you. I do not know you. But when I hear you talk, I know say you talk from your heart. Because as I said, real recognize real, my wisdom warrior. Oh no, see when me talk, I am very passionate. Me not just a talk because me want talk. Me talk because me love me Jamaican people. Me love me country. And I do not like what is happening to my brothers and sisters them. You understand? Me believe in a truth and rights. Me believe in a truth and right. And me believe so justice should be served. That's why I say me come out and me stand up on the behalf of the Jamaican people. Yeah? And I'm so very proud of Mr. Ian Hales. Very, very proud of him. Very proud of him. And I would like a lot of people to follow him footstep and do the same by the Jamaican people. So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about this. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Run go over my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.